With the passing of our Disabilities Act, this year's Disabilities Awareness Week takes on the mode of celebration as we seek to heighten public awareness around the Act. These are some of the activities that will be held in celebration of this year's Disabilities Awareness Week. All are invited to all our events. They are not just limited to the disabilities community. International Disabilities Awareness Day is celebrated on the 3rd of December. And this year, this celebration will take focus of a stakeholders consultation where we'll focus on the Disabilities Act, and this consultation will be held at the University of the West Indies. The consultation will look at the codes of practice of the Disabilities Act, and we start at 10 a.m. On Thursday, there will be a closing ceremony for the Caregivers Training Program, and this will be at the University of Technology at the Jamaica Lecture Theatre starting at 10 a.m.